Hello, this is Azalea with Izzy's by Azalea, and today we have a brief unboxing video of a few crochet supplies that I ordered online. Just wanted to put in there, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to. I really appreciate it and it helps out a lot, and it gives me the motivation I need to keep creating this content of something that I love and sharing it with you all. Now on to the good stuff. It's just a brief unboxing, 2 packages, but I'm excited to open them up with you. So here's one. So a pack of crochet hooks. Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce the name. Ruidi? I'm not sure. If you know how to pronounce it, please leave a comment below. But I'm so excited to try these. It looks like they're the ergonomic ones. I'll open it up here in a minute. Got 2 packs of them. I think I only ordered 1. I'm gonna have to look at that and see if they sent 2 on purpose. I may have to send 1 back. Oh, and I was very excited to try these. I usually don't like plastic hooks, but these looked just so pretty I had to try them. Who knows, I may end up liking them. So that was inside that package. And now, I think I know what this is. I ordered, oh yes. I ordered 2 crochet rings. I've never used these before, but I wanted to test it out and see if it really does make a difference or not. They're little peacocks. Aw, they're cute. Little peacocks. And you're supposed to put it on. I think you wear it on this finger here. And then you wind your yarn through it. If you'd like me to make a video using this for the first time, it might be a little embarrassing on my end, but I'll do it for you. But it should be a nice video learning how to use this for the first time. It shouldn't be too complicated. But I wanted to see if it really does help with the tension of the yarn, or if it'll irritate my finger with the yarn pulling through. I'm not sure. But we can test that out in a future video. Now to open up the hooks. Oh, they look so pretty. Oh, look at that. I love how shiny they are. They do feel nice in the hand. It's just all feels like plastic. I wonder how the yarn is going to slip on them. I'll have to use this in a future video as well. But all different sizes here. I think the smallest is 2.5 and the largest I think is 6 millimeter. Very nice. I'm very excited to use these. And then I'll open up 1 pack of these. I'm pretty sure I only ordered 1. Very nice. Looks like, yes, this does. It goes down smaller. It goes down to 2. And then up to, yes, up to 6 as well. They feel very nice. I like how it has a thumb hold, because that is how I crochet. I put my thumb here. I think I'm gonna like these a lot. Love the different colors and the different sizes. Very, very nice. So please look out for future videos where these tools will be used.